If you need to download a Prezi presentation as a PDF, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you the fastest way to export your Prezi as a PDF step by step, so you can save it to your computer and share it easily. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, log into your profile on the official Prezi website. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you have more than one Prezi login. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the thumbnail tile of the presentation you want to convert. This is the presentation you'll be downloading as a PDF. Take a second to confirm it's the right file before you continue, because once you export, you want to make sure you're working with the correct project. Now, in the bottom right corner of that tile, click the 3 dots icon. This opens the menu with more options for that presentation. From the pop-up list, select Download PDF or, in some versions, Export PDF. This is the option that starts the PDF conversion process. Now, an important note here. If you are on the free basic plan, you will not be able to download as a PDF. Prezi requires a paid plan for PDF export, so if you don't see the option or it's locked, that's usually the reason. In that case, you'll need to upgrade your plan before continuing. If you do have access, you'll be taken to the next screen. Here, click Start Exporting. Prezi will begin compiling your presentation into PDF format. Depending on the size of your presentation and your connection speed, this may take a moment, so just wait for the loading meter to finish. Once the export is complete, you'll see the option to save PDF. Click that button to download the file directly to your computer. After that, your PDF will be saved in your files and you can open it, print it, or share it however you like. And that's how to download a Prezi as a PDF in just a few clicks. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.